Welcome to the fourth Gwmwbai Literary Festival, ma'am.
Gwmwbai.
Thank you.
Hello guys, good evening to all of you. Today I am very excited and delighted. So, दिनै आं जोबोद गोजोननाय मोनदों, दिनै आं जोबोद खुसि मानोना नोंथांमोननो नैबे आपडेटखौ लाबोनानै होफैनो हानायनि थाखाय। मानोना जोंहा डक्टर अनजालि दैमारी मेमा जोबोर साफा एक्सप्लेनिं होदों मीडियानि सिगाङाव लिटारेसि फेस्टिवल डे about the literacy festival डेनि सोमोन्दै मीडियानि सिगाङाव ओरैबादि साफा इंराजि रावजों माने एक्सप्लेन होदों, फिननाय होदों माने। थ' आङो जोबोद गोजोननाय मोनदों आरो नोंथांमोनाबो नैबे भिडिअखौ नायनानै जोबोद गोजोननाय मोनगोन मानोना जोंनि गेजेरावबो बेबादि माने भेरि एक्सलेन्ट माने इंलिश स्पिकार दङ एबा जों मोननो हादों, जोंनि थाखाय जोबोद गोग्गाथावना। भिडिअखौ जोबजासिम खोनासंलांदो।
Welcome to the fourth Gwmwbai Literary Festival, ma'am.
Gwmwbai.
Thank you. Ma'am, is it your first time here in this festival?
No, not exactly. I was there for the first time, and then the second I was out of station. So third and fourth, I was definitely there.
So since you've witnessed the bygone festivals, the literary festival here in Gwmwbai, what unique thing do you see this time?
See, the first thing is that the good part about this Gwmwbai Literary Festival is that it gives a platform to the writers from across the globe, not just in the state, not just in the region, in the state, as well as across the country and also from around the globe. So this time I think the uniqueness is that we have writers from Denmark, we have a fiction writer from Japan, we have a writer from South Korea, from Sri Lanka, from Italy, Estonia. So I think it gives the opportunity to the people of this region, especially of this location, to meet up, to meet these writers. And I think it gives exposure to the people. I think that's the best part. And very often, we are confined to our own writers. But when you meet these writers, you're inspired by them, and you get you want to read their works when you meet them, when you hear them speak. So I think that's again very good, especially for the students who are here, and you have lots of education institutions, and most of our students, they do not have the opportunity to go out. But when you bring them here, so you're giving them this opportunity. I think that's very good. Yeah, so good initiative by the BTR government and the organizing committee.
So are you going to discuss about your works today, ma'am?
See, I'm going to be in conversation with this writer from Sri Lanka, Santham Ayathurai. And in fact, I did not know about this writer earlier, but I have been teaching Sri Lankan writing for a long time. But the works that I have been introduced to are diasporic writers. So in fact, I would say that the 3 times that Sri Lankan writers have come here, I've contacted them and I've brought them here. And I think it's been wonderful, meeting up and speaking to them. And today, this time, we have Santham Ayathurai, who is from Sri Lanka, and he is a Tamil Sri Lankan writer. So we hear the other voices, and that's the beauty of this festival, I think.
So lastly, ma'am, what message would you like to give to the contemporary writers or aspiring writers, especially the young ones? Because now we see the youngsters are too much engaged in social media and things, and not too much into this creative things. So what message would you like to give to them?
I think if we go into the Boro literary history, then you will see that right from Bibar magazine onwards, it has given platform to the young writers, to publish their creative works. So I think that that festivals like this give an opportunity to the writers. So I would encourage the young people to read, to develop the culture of reading. I think that's very, very important, especially for our students. The culture of reading they have to develop. And meeting writers, I think they get encouraged. So I would say that, yes, you're talking about social media. I won't say social media is exactly bad. I think they should use it constructively for their purposes.
Thank you so much for giving us this time, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good.